Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva master classes. In this lecture, we are going to learn about lock and group. Two simple but extremely useful features in Canva. These tools help you to protect important elements in more multiple objects together without changing your design layout. By the end of this lecture, you will know how to use group, how can you speed up your design workflow. Firstly, open Canva. Open any design. Instagram post, I will open any design. Okay, I have opened this one. Okay, customize this. Now you are watching that there are many elements that are separate. Like at this moment, every element can be moved individually. Let's see how group and lock make editing more easier. Select the background. Click the lock icon on the top toolbar it's page lock, not this lock, okay? Click the background if it is not showing your top toolbar like mine. So click left and lock background. Okay? Other things are unlocked. This background is locked. As you see, the background does not move because it is locked. Locking prevent accident changes while you are editing other parts of design. Now, left click, unlock background, and your image will start moving again. Unlock. Okay. If gonna unlock, it's unlock. Your image will be start moving again, like this. Select it and low. You can choose. I will do short. And I will adjust the image like this. Once you unlock an element, you can edit or move it normally. Now, why use lock? To create a several object, you can see text will move around. And if we will select the text sometime, it will select the background. If you're working on a complex design, locking important elements like background, logos help you to provide accidental moments. Now, how to group an element? Like I will group with text. First of all, I will select the text by clicking Shift on the keyboard. So let me select my text. So I have selected my text, and if you want to group this, left click and group, or you can also press Ctrl G from everywhere. Now you can see the text will move in one direction, all text. Now instead of moving each item separately, I can move all items together. Now, how to resize a group? Like, I have selected my grouped item. You can resize your grouped item by this small circle showing on your screen like I I am doing. Okay? And you can change font, colors, everything you want to do. Like, let us change color. Okay? Notice this everything element keep its position while the entire group move and resize. Ungroup element. Now select ungrouping separates the element again, allow you to edit each one of the following. Now ungroup or press Ctrl-Shift-G from your keyboard. Okay. Now common mistake that beginners do that I have told you in all my videos, some accidentally moving the background, forgetting the group related to elements, editing individual item instead of whole section. Then fix them using lock and group. Using these two features correctly, keep your design clean, organized, easy to edit. So there are some 5 pro tips that you need to note. Lock your background before editing other element, group related object like text icon, ungroup only when you need to edit individual items. Use Shift plus click to quickly select multiple elements. Keep your design organized by grouping section together. So, today your practice is all the lecture I have told you. You have to practice how to lock, how to group, how to unlock, how to ungroup. So, accident work you have to do. Today we have learned how the lock feature does, how to lock and unlock element, what element group mean, how group and ungroup objects, how these tools make designing faster and more organized. These are essential Canva features that designers should use to work efficiently and avoid accidental mistakes. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. Allah Hafiz, goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. I will see you in next lecture. Happy designing. Allah Hafiz.